Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm making hummus, also called as hummus, जो बनता है chickpeas यानी छोले से. It is a great source of plant-based protein, fiber and good fat. Good fat because it has sesame seeds यानी till in it. You can use this as a dip, as a side dish to eat with salad, with chicken or mutton kebabs, with pita bread, toasted bread, brown bread, pita crisps, ragi crackers, almost everything. It is healthy and full of nutrients. This dish is a total winner. You must try it. So before we get into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. First we'll prepare the tahini. So I'm taking about half a cup of sesame seeds. It's called til in Hindi. तो इसको अच्छे से रोस्ट कर लीजिए till it starts popping up, like वो उछलने लगे from the pan. Make sure you're not burning it. Just stir it well, and once it starts spluttering, just turn off the gas and इसको grind करना है, but गरम में ही इसको grind करना है. Do not let it cool down. So I'll grind them now. It's very hot, so grind them carefully. Sesame seeds has its own oil, so that is why we are grinding it when it's hot, so we don't have to add too much of extra oil. So here I'm adding about only 3 teaspoons of olive oil. It is required to make it into a fine paste. Also I'm going to add a pinch of salt over here. That's it, and blitz it. See, this is what it should look like. So I'll quickly start with the preparation of hummus now. I'm adding about 1.5 cup of boiled chickpeas, also called as chole. Adding about 15 to 16 pods of garlic. Guys, if you have bigger pods of garlic, then you can take only 8 to 10. Now I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of tahini. If you can see, I have kept some chickpeas at the back because my NutriBullet was full and it won't blend in if I stuff it up. So once I blend it, I'm gonna add it again. 1 small spoon or 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, or you can add salt as per taste. Squeezing half a lemon into it as well. You will have to blend it अच्छे से, and if you want you can shake it in between so that it doesn't get stuck. So I'm adding the rest of the chickpeas which I saved, and also with that I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And the last thing which I'm adding to it is water, about half a katori of water. So this water is from the chickpeas because I boiled chickpeas in it, and I've saved that water and I'm adding it as per consistency. I'm shaking this very nicely over here because you need to do it so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. I'm struggling over here, but it's worth it. It's so yummy that it's worth everything. You might as well, scrape it with a spoon in between so that the chickpeas don't get stuck at the bottom. So yeah, go ahead and blend until it forms a creamy texture. I can finally see this coming together, so I'm gonna pour it into a bowl now. See, this is what the consistency which we want. Do not put too much of water, only for this to blend in properly. Do not put too much water into it, it will make it runny. Now show your artistic side and make it as creative as you want to. I'm just trying to draw a well in here because I want to put some chili oil in it. So yeah, I'm gonna drizzle some chili oil over it because it makes it look so much prettier and it gives it a nice taste. I had prepared this earlier only, so you can prepare it by putting about half a teaspoon of chili powder and about 3 teaspoons of olive oil to it. And to finish it, I'm going to add some sesame seeds on the top. You can choose to add pomegranate if you have it at your home, but since I did not have it, I'm gonna use only sesame seeds, and they are a great source of good fat, so add them all you want, or you can skip it. It's as per your choice. And it's done. So since we are in this lockdown and I do not have any access to pita bread, so I have toasted some brown bread and chopped some carrots and cucumbers. So I'm gonna relish it right now. You can also do this. Please try this at home and do not forget to share your pictures with me. Hope you like the hummus recipe and will definitely try it out soon. I would love to hear what you think about it in the comment section below. Please do not forget to tag me in the pictures on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle, check out other healthy recipes on my channel. I'm linking it up here. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.